Hello explorers, I'm Mark.
And I'm Michelle.
Welcome to today's episode of Explore Nueva Ecija YouTube channel. Wanderlust has led us to this lovely and very relaxing destination located here in the town of Pantabangan in the northeastern portion of the province of Nueva Ecija, Philippines.
Welcome to Lake Farm Delamar.
And here we are at Lake Farm Delamar, and we're going to stay here overnight to unwind. This beautiful farm resort is one of the emerging tourist destinations here in the province of Nueva Ecija.
Explore Nueva Ecija.
The primary attraction of this charming farm resort is the breathtaking panorama of Pantabangan Lake and the Sierra Madre Mountain Range, which is the longest mountain range in the Philippines, spanning over 540 kilometers. Sierra Madre runs from the province of Quezon in the south and ends in the province of Cagayan in the northern portion of Luzon, the largest island in the Philippine archipelago.
Pantabangan Lake, on the other hand, is a man-made lake. It's the reservoir portion of the Great Pantabangan Dam, which was constructed in the 1970s. The reservoir is considered one of the largest in Southeast Asia and also one of the cleanest in the Philippines.
The amenities of this lovely and very relaxing farm resort include a cafe, an infinity pool, a jacuzzi, camping and glamping areas, ATV trails, picnic shelters, function hall, and mini parks with several Instagrammable spots.
From Manila, Lake Farm Delamar is approximately 5 to 6 hours away. Despite its distance, this farm resort's verdant hills, scenic lake views, picturesque mountains, the tranquility of the place, very good amenities, and friendly staff make Lake Farm Delamar a paradise worth exploring.
One of the best things about Lake Farm Dela Marre is that it's a pet-friendly farm resort, and we're so glad of the opportunity to enjoy this nice and very relaxing spot with our beloved fur baby.
Lake Farm Delamar is only a short distance from Farm Ridge by Desmond Farm, another popular farm resort here in the town of Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija. The other must-visit places here are Highland Valley Villas Resort and Spa, Montana del Sol, the Gracie Farm, and the Farm by Prince.
The cool and very refreshing mountain breeze complement the stunning views and beautiful lights, and that makes this place even more romantic at night. Here at Lake Farm Delamar, they can build you a bonfire. Michelle and I roasted some marshmallows on the bonfire to make some s'mores.
Their restaurant here is named Cafe Delamar, where we savored some of their appetizing dishes and drinks, and my personal favorite is their pizza. Lake Farm Delamar is not only a resort but a farm as well. Here, some of the areas are planted with crops like tomatoes and calamansi or Calamondin Orange.
From our vantage point atop the hill, we can see those newly constructed cabins which overlook the scenic Pantabangan Lake and Sierra Madre Mountains.
Nature lovers and adventure seekers like us who would like to explore the province of Nueva Ecija, Philippines must include this agri-tourism destination in their itinerary.
Thank you very much, explorers, for joining us in our wonderful travel today.
Thank you so much for watching, explorers!
Please subscribe to our channel.
Goodbye, explorers!
Goodbye, see you in our next video.